Hey guys, welcome back. So we're doing something a little different today. We're doing a little bit of a collaborative video. My sister's in town from Noblesvill, Indiana. She is Stacy Wolf from Stacy Wolf Photography, and it's my youngest son, Graham's first birthday. So she's doing a cake smash. So I thought I'd do a little video compilation with some of her beautiful photos just to show you how she works and some of the great things that she does. So here we go.
What are you looking at?
That'll be interesting. Okay, wait, it's not gonna, I don't want to say.
Are you ready for that cake? Are you ready?
Graham, what's that cake? Look beside you. Graham.
Give Dad just look up.
No, that's not tickling. Those are called grass.
Is that yummy? Yum, 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 yum. Let me get some. Oh, I'm so good. Get in there.
Can you clap?
It's okay. It's okay. We'll clean it up. Yay! Oh, yep. That's pretty normal. Say yay! Is that good? It's on your foot. Look at your foot.
Chunky monkey.
Yay!
thought we'd try the crowd one more time, but he's not having it.
Hi, it's Stacy from Stacy Wolf Photography. Thank you for watching and we'll see you soon.